guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how much money I made or lost off my $1 per day investment. Now, we're going to be talking about some of the things that I'm investing into and kind of my strategy, my mindset, the broker I'm using. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And guys, hit that like button and subscribe so you guys can stay up to date on this challenge. Investing $1 per day, we're going to be seeing how much money we can make from this portfolio. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. So guys, let's jump into this one. Let's go. All right, so kind of my thought process, my mindset, my plan is I'm just investing about $1 per day into some ETFs. Now, these ETFs range from SPY, which pretty much just tracks the S&P 500, to ticker symbol SCHD, which pretty much tracks dividend paying companies. Now, I do invest $1 into the S&P and $1 into SCHD, so it's technically $2 per day. But anyways, the overall mindset, my strategy, my plan is if I just start investing with just a little amount, I can show you guys that you guys don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars to start, and you can still make money off of a small amount of money, because I would rather see you guys invest $1 than not invest at all. I think most of us have some sort of vice where we buy a coffee, once a day, or we buy a pack of gum once a day. So I think we all can afford $1 to put away for the long run. So the broker that I've been using is Robinhood, just because of how easy it is to use. Now they do have two different account types. They do have Roth IRAs and an IRA account, and they do have a standard broker's account. The one that I am using is just a standard broker's account, so there's no retirement incentive. So on top of that $1 per day, I do invest about $2 per week into just a variety of different companies, ranging from Google to Apple to Palantir to Tesla. So whatever I'm kind of in the mood for buying, I'm investing into it. Now, let's talk about how much money we made. Well, guys, my portfolio this year, in the past 1 year, is up a whopping 10%, about $42, which is awesome. Now, comparing this to the S&P 500, which is just a staple index, that got about 5%, meaning right now with my portfolio, I have doubled what the S&P 500 has done in the past year, which is awesome. I'm super proud of myself. Now, obviously, guys, I constantly track the market, and I think what really has helped me is the overall growth of AI, because I've been investing a ton into AI companies. Like, we've seen a huge increase in Palantir, we've seen increasing in Microsoft, increasing, in a variety of other AI companies, and that has really done well for me. And you guys can see the full list of all the stocks that I'm investing in right here. So guys, if you guys are on the verge of investing and you don't know whether you should, just start investing. Whether you invest $1 per week or you guys invest $1 a month, just start investing, because you guys will, start learning the process, start understanding some great investments, some things to do. But 99.9% of you should just invest in the S&P, and you guys will be just fine. Pick some companies that you fully understand, fully believe in. I'm a huge believer in technology, into AI and all that fun stuff, so I'm just investing into it. I do have other portfolios, so if you guys want me to cover those, I'll do that in later videos. So hit that like button and subscribe. But guys, yeah, that is my portfolio. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing, crazy high, but it's a way that I've made money just by sitting there. And another thing that I have done is Robinhood offers something called DRIP, which is just the dividend reinvesting. So all the dividends I'm getting for the future, I'm reinvesting back into these companies to grow my portfolio larger, so my dividends get larger and larger, just starting that compound interest. So guys, that is it. Shorter video, exciting video on how much money I made off $1 per day with my Robinhood portfolio. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Take care, everyone, and peace out.